It's our 150 psi pump. It's not heavy duty, but it's a nice pump for your house, just to raise your water pressure up from standard water pressure 40, 50 pounds, 60 pounds to 150. Works well. This over here is our 300 psi system. That's our 300 psi pump. Pretty standard now with a 5-inch filter. Got a nice housing. Just plug it in. This is our unenclosed 1000 psi pump. They all come standard now with dual filters. There's your water inlet, which is just a rubber hose. It hooks in your water bib. It's 4 feet long, 9-foot electrical cord, on-off switch there in the front. This is our 1000 psi enclosed system now. Totally enclosed, dual filtered. Got your electric in the back for your on-off switch. And in the front, we've got your water hookup for your high pressure, which is right here. You got your water hookup right here for your bib. You got your pressure gauge right here. And of course your replaceable dual filters, which we have the same thing right here on our unenclosed. It's got your outlet high pressure side, your water pressure gauge, unloader valve, which is right here. That right there, you can adjust the pressure to your pump. This right here is a sight glass, tells you how much oil you have in it. This your on and off electrical switch right here for your water. Your dual filtration. On your sight glass for your oil, it'll show half full, and that's where you want it, right up to that red. There is a drain plug down below, so you can drain it every 500 hours. Fill it back up with cat oil, right to halfway in that red mark. And your filler cap is right here. The black cap is the cap we use for shipping. The red cap comes with it right here, and this red cap should be replaced when you get the pump in, so it doesn't spill any oil. That's a vented cap, so that's why it just hangs on the side during shipping. We do the same thing on the 300, except there's no oil on a 300 pump. It's oil free. So your high pressure 300 pump side right here, your pressure gauge, your inlet water. Very simple. It's got a 5-inch filter standard, or our 1000s now have dual 10-inch, 1 micron and a 10 micron filter. Thank you.